Dear students and my teacher friends, Namaskar. I welcome you to the presentation lecture on null hypothesis and the degrees of freedom. So today in this lecture we are discussing about what is null hypothesis. Then we are discussing about the degrees of freedom. So let's start the lecture. Now on your screen, this is the problem which is given to you. Okay, this is the problem. This is the problem. Okay, and all the information regarding the cross is provided to you. Okay, f1 generation, f2 generation, and the total offspring of f2. So the number 352 is provided to you. Okay, now the first question they have asked to you is, what is the value of degrees of freedom for this experimental cross? Okay, first question, you have to answer them. These are the four options and you have to choose one correct option. What they are asking, degrees of freedom for this experimental cross. This is the first multiple choice question which can be framed from this type of problem. Okay, now I'm showing you question number 2 and question number 3. Second question, what is the p value for this experimental cross? Okay, so you have to answer them. Okay, what is the p value for this experimental cross? And the third question, see, what is your assumption for null hypothesis regarding this experimental cross? So null hypothesis is incorrect, null hypothesis is not applicable to this experimental cross, null hypothesis is correct, or none above. Okay, so regarding the null hypothesis, you have to choose the correct answer from this four option. Now now one more thing, to solve this problem, question number 2 and question number 3, one table will be provided to you. Okay, so in the printed form in your question paper you will find one table is given to you and you can use the values of that table. So let me show you that table also. So solving the problem number 2 and 3, this table is provided to you. What is there in this table? So see, degree of freedom is there. Okay, then p values are there in the table and chi-square values are also given to you. Okay, so this is the table that you can use to solve problem number 2 and 3. Now now how to get the answer for this these three multiple choice question? Okay, which are the steps? See, first step, okay, to answer these three questions, the first step is to make a null hypothesis. So now another question, who is going to make the null hypothesis? So it is you that going to make the null hypothesis. Now the question comes in your mind that why you are going to make null hypothesis. See, this problem, okay, and this cross, okay, this cross, for the Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster is the common fruit fly, and you have performed this experiment in the laboratory because you are a researcher, you are a geneticist. Okay, and since you are a researcher and you are doing your research, you have you have to make a null hypothesis. So first step is that you are making a null hypothesis. Okay, then second step, from the phenotype of the f2 generation you are calculating the expected value. Step number 3, you are using the chi-square test formula, you are finding the chi-square value. Okay, and then once you are ready with the chi-square value, then you will find out the degrees of freedom that you will find out. Now you are ready with the chi-square value. Now you are ready with the degrees of freedom value. Then you are comparing your values with the probability values in the table. Okay, and then you will be in a position to answer this three question. Okay, so I have told you 1, 2, 3, and 4, all four step. Okay, see, and how to perform this step. Okay, so for that I am delivering this lecture. I will show you step number 1, how to form the null hypothesis. Step number 2, how to find out how to calculate the expected value. Then step number 3, how to find out the chi-square value by using the formula. Then the interpretation of table. Okay, all this thing I am explaining in this lecture, and this lecture is available on my Android app. So you can watch this complete lecture on my Android app. One more thing, this complete information, this complete problem with the solution in which genetics book this problem is given. So if you are interested, I will post the information regarding the book in the members group. So in the members group you will find a PDF. In that the information regarding the book will be given to you. Okay, my name is Manish Kosti sir. I am from Ahmedabad, India. Bye bye. Namaste.